Indulge in the ultimate bathing experience with the Niagara Soho Chrome Bath Filler Tap, available here at Bella Bathrooms. Crafted with precision, this high-quality brass body tap is a stunning addition to your bathroom. The dazzling chrome finish adds a touch of elegance, transforming your bath into a luxurious oasis. Get ready to be captivated by the soothing waterfall flow that cascades effortlessly from this bath mixer. The deck-mounted design ensures easy installation and provides a seamless look on your bathtub. Worried about matching fixtures? Fear not. We have matching basin taps available, so you can achieve a harmonious theme throughout your bathroom. This tap is perfect for baths with 2 tap holes, and its 106mm spout reach ensures maximum comfort and convenience. The square shape adds a modern and contemporary vibe to your space, while the dual handle allows you to effortlessly control both temperature and flow. Experience true relaxation and tranquility as you unwind in your bath with the Niagara Soho Chrome Bath Filler Tap. Discover this and the rest of the Niagara Soho range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.